To log bill.com API webhooks, you need to understand what webhooks are and how they work with the bill.com API. Webhooks are callbacks made by the bill.com API to a specified URL when a specific event occurs, such as when a bill is paid or a payment is made. First, you need to set up a webhook endpoint, which is the URL that the bill.com API will send the event notifications to. This endpoint should be able to handle HTTP POST requests and process the JSON payload sent by the bill.com API. Next, you need to register your webhook endpoint with the bill.com API. You can do this by making a POST request to the bill.com API with the endpoint URL and the types of events you want to receive notifications for. Once you have registered your webhook endpoint, the bill.com API will start sending event notifications to your endpoint. You can then log these notifications by processing the JSON payload and storing the relevant information in a database or log file. To process the JSON payload, you can use a programming language such as Python or Java to parse the JSON data and extract the relevant information. You can then use this information to update your database or log file. Best practices for logging bill.com API webhooks include verifying the authenticity of the webhook notifications by checking the signature or token sent with the notification, handling errors and exceptions properly, and logging all notifications for auditing and debugging purposes. In practical terms, logging bill.com API webhooks involves setting up a webhook endpoint, registering it with the bill.com API, and processing the event notifications sent by the API. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively log bill.com API webhooks and integrate the bill.com API with your application. Key concepts to keep in mind include understanding how webhooks work, setting up a webhook endpoint, registering the endpoint with the bill.com API, processing event notifications, and following best practices for logging and error handling. By understanding and following these concepts and steps, you can successfully log bill.com API webhooks and leverage the power of the bill.com API in your application.